All right, so welcome back to the last question of slot 1 series. This question is based on averages, and I find this question very interesting. Uh, yeah, when I was attending the question for the first time, I got a little stuck somewhere. So let's just start this question. So in an examination, the average marks of 4 girls and 6 boys is 24. Each of the girls has same marks, while each of the boys has same marks. If the marks of any girl is at most double the marks of any boy, but not less than the marks of any boy, then the possible distinct integer values of total marks of 2 girls and 6 boys is how much? So let's just correct the information given to us. 4 girls, all the girls have equal marks and boys have equal marks. So these are the marks of girls and boys respectively, and total equals to 240 because the average is 24 and there are 10 candidates. So the total marks are 240. So total sum is 240. Yeah. Now it is given to us that girl can score at most twice the marks of boys, but not less than the marks of boys. So this is a inequality holds here. We have to find what? We have to find the marks of 2 girls and 6 boys. Now, if I can see the given equation, I'll divide it by 2. I'll get this equation. So I can just rewrite what is being given to us, that 2 girls plus 6 boys. I just split it into 2 girls and 3 boys, and that is 120. And the remaining 3 boys we have to find. So basically, all our question is depending on the value of b. Now, as the question is saying, because we have to find the integral values, we have to find the quantity. So it means there must be some minimum value and maximum value for this b. If we crack this minimum and maximum value, we can easily find the range, and then we'll just find the integral values. So that would be the approach. Yeah. So when we have to find the minimum value here, I can say that the g must be maximum. And what is the maximum value of g? It is 2b. So just substitute. This is case number 1. So b equals to 120 by 7. And I substitute the value in the given required equation. That is 120 plus 3 and b equals to 120 by 7. So it is 1200 by 7. So that is our minimum possible marks. Similarly, case 2 is when the b is maximum, then the g must be minimum. And the minimum value of g is equal to b itself. So if I substitute it again in the same equation, I'll get this one, and it b equals to 24. So the total marks here are 120 plus 3 into 24, that is 192. So the difference, now, this is something, this one. Not the difference, it is, I can say the range. The range is what? This is a minimum value and this is a maximum value. How many integral values are there? So it starts from 172. The integral value starts from 172. So the difference of 192 and 172, we have to do the counting. So plus 1. So 21 integral values can be taken. It's a beautiful question. I find it beautiful. Although I have solved it here in less than 3 minutes, I guess. But of course, I have attempted it firstly, and I find it interesting one. So I hope this slot is clear, and we have covered 2 slots. We'll see in the next slot. I guess slot number 3 is remaining. So we'll see in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care.